Hey everyone, welcome, I am Amjith, and today I am gonna share with you DC motor. The rotation of a DC motor is produced by the interaction of two constant magnetic fields. Many DC motors use an electromagnet instead of a PM to provide the static field. The coil used to produce this field is called the field coil. This kind of DC motor is called a wound field motor. There are different types of wound field DC motor based on the way in which the field winding is connected. Series field DC motors, this motor has large starting torque but is difficult to speed control. Good in applications for starting heavy, non-mobile loads and where speed control is not important, such as for quick opening valves. Shunt field DC motors, this motor has a smaller starting torque, but good speed control characteristics produced by varying armature excitation current. Good in applications where speed is to be controlled, such as in conveyor systems. Compound field DC motors, this motor attempts to obtain the best features of both of the two previous types. Generally, starting torque and speed control capability fall predictably between the two pure cases. Applications of DC motor. The use of DC motors in control systems ranges from very low energy, delicate control applications, to heavy-duty control operations in elevators and vehicles. In general, PM types are used for motors of less than 10 horsepower, 7.5 kilowatts, and wound field types for units up to about 100 to 200 horsepower, 75 to 150 kilowatts. Control of the speed and torque of these large machines requires very high power DC electricity. Such power is derived from the power electronics devices. In general, three-phase AC power is rectified using switching technology to produce the required high voltage, high current DC electricity. Control is often made possible by variation of the voltage amplitude.